What is up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. Listen closely. Zero knowledge proof is not coming. It is already here. The daily auctions are live, the network is functional, and there is a $5 million giveaway on the table. That being said, if you have been waiting for a sign, this is it. We are witnessing the fairest blockchain launch in history that is built in protest and designed in proof. It's happening with or without you. Welcome back, guys. We're talking about the project flipping the entire script on how blockchain handles your data. Everyone, this is the zero knowledge proof. As most of you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum gave us decentralization, but they did sacrifice privacy. Every wallet balance and transaction is public, so basically this is a surveillance state with a digital coat of paint. But fear no more, ZKP changes all that. It proves a transaction is valid without exposing any of your actual data. The impact here is huge. Businesses protect trade secrets, individuals secure their data, and AI can process sensitive information without ever seeing the raw data. And best of all, guys, is that this was built in protest. We're all sick of VC insiders and 90% whale discounts. ZKP has anonymous builders, no founder advantage, and zero private rounds. For strategy, zero knowledge proof moves on a 450-day schedule divided into 17 specific stages. And with every new stage, the supply tightens and pressure goes up. The logic here is pretty simple. If tokens do not sell during a daily auction, they are not moved to a developer wallet. They are burned and gone forever. As you can see, Phase 1 offered 200 million tokens daily, but we are in Phase 2 right now, and the supply has already dropped to 190 million. Competition is definitely getting harder, and this continues until Phase 17, where supply gets incredibly tight. As you know, guys, earlier participants get the most tokens per dollar, and unallocated coins are destroyed and not hoarded. So basically, in this game, being late just means paying more for a smaller bag. Now, as always, guys, I saved the best for last, and that is their massive $5 million giveaway. We're talking 10 winners getting $500,000 worth of ZKP each. To enter, hold at least $100 of ZKP, follow their socials, and share the post. And if you really want to stack your odds, be sure to use the referral system. You get a 20% bonus for referring friends, and they get 10% for joining, so technically this is a win-win that rewards you for growing the entire community. This matters because ZKP built $100 million in infrastructure before selling a single public token, guys. Add to that the fact that organizations like the Dolphins do not partner with Vaporware. Institutions only validate projects that are operationally ready, and ZKP earned that trust. In this game, there is no roadmap delays and no VC unlocks crashing your investment. This is fair distribution enforced by math and not marketing, and it's proof over promise. Daily auctions are live at ZKP.com, and the $5 million giveaway is at Gleam. This is the fairest pre-sale in crypto history, so do not watch from the sidelines. Smash that like button, subscribe for more alpha, and I will see you in the next one.